Hey folks! If you've ever dreamt of working from a beach in Goa, a cafe in Bali, or a mountain in Himachal, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down what it actually takes to live the digital nomad life. And yeah, how you can make money while you're at it. First things first, let's clear one thing up. Being a digital nomad is not just about pretty Instagram posts and sipping coconut water. It's about freedom, yes, but also about discipline. If you can't manage your own schedule, you'll be stuck watching Netflix, not sunsets. So how do you get started? Simple. You need two things: a skill you can sell online and a good Wi-Fi connection. That's it. Whether it's graphic design, writing, coding, or even teaching English, if you can do it from a laptop, you're set. But hang on, what about finding clients? Here's my trick. Start on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Build your profile, get some reviews, and then slowly branch out to private clients. It's a grind at first, but trust me, the freedom is worth it. Now, let's talk money. Most digital nomads don't become rich overnight, but the cool part? Your money goes further. Imagine earning in dollars or euros and spending in rupees or baht. That's called geo-arbitrage. Use it to your advantage. Want to work from anywhere? Get your tech in order. Invest in a good laptop, noise-canceling headphones, and a portable Wi-Fi router. Download offline maps and always keep digital copies of your passport and important documents. Trust me, these little things will save you a lot of headaches. Community is everything on the road. Don't isolate yourself. Join online nomad groups, hit up co-working spaces, and go to meetups. You'll find your tribe and maybe even a travel buddy or two. And here's the big one: balance. It's easy to get lost in the adventure, but remember to take breaks, eat well, and set boundaries between work and play. After all, you didn't go nomad just to burn out, right? So if you're ready to swap your cubicle for the world, start small. Pick a place, book a flight, and give it a try for a month. The worst that can happen? You come back with stories. And the best? You find a new way to live. Alright, that's my crash course on the digital nomad life. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. Now go chase that sunrise, your adventure's just beginning.